pretty dirty, so between the hubs, or the backing plates and the hubs, I could use 4 cans, because these don't last long.
Yeah. So after you rinse that all down real good, then you go back and you're also hitting the center equalizers as well.
Yeah, I wipe them down. I hit them and wipe them down. And then...
go back and re-grease them.
Yeah,
so
I clean all these off so they could... I clean all the zerk fittings.
We had an owner today in one of the groups that was basically, they were complaining to the manufacturer that they, on a different brand, that the manufacturer didn't grease their shackles. And basically I went back to say, hey, you know, a lot of times if you're, whether you're pressure washing the rigs or taking it in someplace, they'll get blown off and blown clean, and that can actually help remove the grease too. But there's very minimal amount of grease.
I don't see hardly any grease on these.
But there's very minimal grease that usually goes into those because they don't want it thrown around all over the place. That grease does go bad. It does dry up. It does get dirt on it. And so make sure that you are greasing them. You know, we recommend that you grease them every 4 to 6 months, depending on how much traveling that you're doing. And then of course, if you're greasing them, you know, during a wool bearing pack service once a year, you'll be protected that way. But we're always looking when we have the unit up in the air. We're always doing like a wiggle test and a shake test, and then even sometimes pulling apart the shackle links to see if there's any worn out on the bushings.
Checking for frame cracks.
Checking for frame cracks and all that. And these Outdoors RVs, they got a pretty good frame. You know, they've got a lot of reinforcement up in here. That's what he's looking at right now. So, anyways, stay tuned for more, and make sure you join our Facebook group. Thanks so much for watching.